panting a lot, sore. So they look like kind of stiff. They refuse to walk. I think that's the most common one.
I think especially the next day, they're not going to limit themselves. You need to limit them because they will keep going and going and going.
Especially puppies. Puppies love to keep going. So
I would say 1 to 2. I wouldn't go excessive. I think on anything, I think there's some breeds that you can be ultra runners on or use them, but they need to be worked up to it slowly. And puppies are still growing, so I wouldn't go excessively high.
It's basically like running with a child or a teenager. They don't have their joints completely formed yet, so the chances of trauma are way higher than on an adult dog.
It depends on the dog. So there's some dogs no.
Couch potatoes.
Yeah, so some dogs no, but small amounts of frequent small amounts of exercise are a lot better than large amounts done once a week. And so a lot of dogs with arthritis need to move, but they only need to move to the mailbox. They don't need to move a mile. They just need to move to the mailbox. So it just depends on the dog. Now, a German Shepherd that's 2 or 3 needs to go walking every day. Several times a day. Yeah.
So it will be more depending on the dog, age, lifestyle, everything. But short walks should be ideal for everyone.
If it's the right dog. I've seen people even take golf carts or like Polarises, and that's how they work out their working dogs because they can't keep up with them. So I think, again, in the right atmosphere, temperature, and the right dog.
But you have to work them up to it. So it's not like the first day you got the dog, you run 10 miles on your bike and your dog on your side. I will probably start just running a mile. Then you do 2 miles, and then you start working them up and see if they tolerate it okay.
Shepherds, labs. There's, a lot of them are mixed. A lot of the mix are all walking dogs. So really, the ones that we're worried about is the smushy faces.
The smushy faces we're definitely concerned.
Or arthritis dogs. The arthritis dogs need to move, but small, frequent amounts, not long amounts. So